All right, you all, we got a quick tip for you all about the Google Assistant. Now, some of you all may be concerned about Google Assistant running in the background. We're going to show you how to shut that down if you don't want OK Google to be running in the background. Okay, real quick and simple. Drop your screen down or go into your app drawer. You want to go into settings. And then when you go into settings, you want to scroll all the way down till you see Google. When you see Google, tap on Assistant, and then you could turn off Hey Google. You could turn off speech output as well. And then if you want to, you could turn Google Assistant off if it's really bothering you and it's running down your battery. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I love Google Assistant. It doesn't bother my battery life at all. I get home with battery to spare with no problem. All right, you all, that's it for this quick tip. So enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Hit the like button, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.